Have you ever noticed how some guys barely lift a finger and yet women chase them? It's not luck. It's not money. It's not even looks. It's what they say. And today, I'm going to reveal one powerful line. Yes, just one sentence that triggers a woman's deep psychological instinct to pursue you. But before I tell you what it is, you need to understand why it works. Because without the context, you might say it wrong and she'll vanish faster than your New Year's resolutions. So, buckle up. This isn't your typical dating tip. This is science, psychology, and a touch of strategy designed to flip the script. Please like video and subscribe my channel. Let's start with a painful truth. Most men chase, few attract, and the more you chase, the faster she runs. It's like trying to hug a cat that clearly doesn't want your affection. Ever tried that? Exactly. And let's be real. Chasing someone who's not into you feels worse than texting, "Hey," and getting left on red for eternity. But there's the twist. Psychology shows that people value what's scarce, not what's always available. Women, especially emotionally intelligent women, are wired to be drawn to someone they perceive as a challenge, not a jerk, a challenge, someone with standards, mystery, and emotional control. So here's the first shift. To get her to chase you, you need to show that you're not trying to be chosen. You're doing the choosing. And that sets the stage for what you'll say next. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's one sentence that turns the dynamic on its head. It's confident. It's subtle. And it speaks directly to her unconscious mind. Ready? Say this. I'm not looking for just anyone. I'm looking for alignment. That's it. Not love, not attention, not someone to complete me. Alignment. Why does this work? Because it triggers her internal qualification instinct. The part of her that suddenly starts asking, wait, do I align with him? Am I the kind of woman he's looking for? You've just flipped the script. Now you're the prize. Ever walked into a store and suddenly wanted something just because it was behind glass? Same thing. But we're not done. The words are just the surface. The way you deliver them, that's where the real power is. Don't say it like a salesman. Say it like a man who knows what he brings to the table and won't beg someone to sit down. Say it slowly, calmly, with a half smile. Because women don't just listen to what you say. They listen to how you say it. When you say, I'm looking for alignment, you're suggesting that you're selective. You're someone with purpose, values, direction. That's incredibly attractive to mature, emotionally grounded women. But here's the part most guys miss, and where things can go from attraction to obsession. We'll get to that in a second. Let's dive deeper. This line also signals emotional safety. You're not saying, you want a girlfriend. You're saying, you want someone aligned with my values. That creates emotional safety because you're not impulsive. You're intentional, but you're also scarce. You're not on every app swiping like a maniac. You're different. You're rare, and what's rare is valuable. Think of it like avocado toast in 2017. Suddenly, everyone wants it even if they don't know why. Now you've got her attention. She's thinking about you, wondering about you, even questioning herself a little. But the real magic happens when you leave room for silence. That's what we'll unpack next. After you drop that line, pause. Let her fill the silence. Let the curiosity grow. Because women chase mystery, not confusion, but mystery. They want to discover you like a great novel, not a pop-up ad. And when you confidently express your standards and then step back, she starts leaning in. She might start asking you questions. She might text you first. She might start proving that she's aligned. Here's the catch. Most men panic when this happens. They break the silence too soon. Don't let her wonder. Let her invest. Because once she starts chasing you emotionally, it's not about the sentence anymore. It's about the shift in energy. But what if you say the line and she doesn't react at all? Well, that's where the test comes in. If a woman doesn't react to your alignment line, it's not a failure, it's feedback. She might not be emotionally ready. She might be looking for validation, not connection. And guess what? That's your green flag to walk away. Why? Because women who are truly worth your time, they don't just hear that line, they feel it. And if she feels it, she'll chase it. So the next time you're with a woman and the vibe feels right, drop that line. I'm not looking for just anyone. I'm looking for alignment. Then lean back. Let the magic happen. Want more real psychological insights that actually work in today's dating world? Then hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because next week we're revealing the 5 things women secretly test you for without saying a word. Don't miss it. Your next move could change.